Why motivation doesn't work in wholesaling real estate. Guys, my name is Rick Ginn, and today's video, I'm gonna really deep dive into what motivation really means to you, the definition. I'm gonna teach you the real problem with motivation, and most importantly, if you hang on to the end, I'm gonna give you the solution on how you can overcome the motivation woes in wholesaling real estate to make you successful. But before I get into it, do me a favor, make sure you smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, so more people can get the truth about wholesaling just like you are right now. So motivation, we all seem to rely on it. We all get super excited about it. And I'm here to tell you why it's a real problem in wholesaling and expose what the real problem is. So let's look into the definition of motivation. The reason one has for acting in a particular way. Kind of a weird saying, but it is the truth. Motivation is what drives people to start something. And we're all guilty of starting something. The question is, how are you going to finish something? That's where the real problem in wholesaling real estate and motivation falls apart. Let me give you an example. There's 3 billion motivational quotes. Just go on the internet, you can find them everywhere. And honestly, they're fun, they're inspiring, but if you really dig into them, what do they mean? Let me give you an example. The only person that can tell you you can't win is you. So don't listen. It makes perfect sense. We are our own biggest enemy. And that quote inspires me, inspires thousands of others just like you. But how am I going to apply that to really be successful in wholesaling? And there lies the problem. See, motivation is really a state. It is an energy. And let me give you an example. If you ever just down in the blues or you're tired or something like that, the easiest thing to do is change your physiological state. Now, I didn't learn this by myself. Tony Robbins taught me this. If you ever want to change something, you have to have a physiological change. Get up, scream at the top of your lungs, energize yourself, jump up and down and shake. Once you have that change of state, you are now in the mindset to do whatever you want, to drive whatever behavior you want. But the problem is it is really short term if you think about it. You see, I use Tony Robbins a lot because he is a master communicator and has an amazing track record in history and teaches people how to get truth. And you'll see a lot of me and Zach's teachings going to duplicate that philosophy. But a lot of people call Tony Robbins, oh, he's just a motivator. He's not. Actually, he will motivate you, but that's not his primary skill set. His primary skill set is dig down, find the root of the problem, and give you action plan to overcome your issues. That's it. And actually, if you tell Tony Robbins he's a motivator, he actually gets upset with you. Because when we talk about motivators and motivation is people talk about, I want to be a motivational speaker. Honestly, that's just an energy, an environment. That's the correct word for it. Motivation is an environment, and all environments don't last long term. You see, the whole purpose of motivation is to wake people up that are just asleep at the wheel. So I will give you an example. I went to a Tony Robbins seminar a long time ago, and I've been there 3 times since then. And you should go back and back and back again to learn, to show me what was possible in life, that you could have an amazing energy stamina, you could be in excellent physical health, and money is abundant across the world, and there is no limits to earning it, and you can have an amazing relationship. And life is about a dance. It should not be a struggle. It should not be a war. There is times, especially when you're growing up, because you don't have choices. But when you're in control of your own destiny, you get it going. That's where motivation works, guys. And if you need it to snap out of it, do it. It changed my life. It changed my kid's life. It changed my wife's life. And that's where motivation starts. Motivation is just an eye-opening wake up. And when people are unhealthy or they're financially broke, watching a video like this to me is motivation. But I am not a motivational speaker. I'm far from it. You see, motivation only lasts so long. And here's the real problem with motivation, especially in wholesaling. I've already told you it's an energy, it's an environment, it is a physiological state. And when you get around other people that want the same thing you do, and you get inspired in a seminar, this is where you guys get killed in wholesaling. You see, they have these things called seminars. Sometimes they call them webinars, but for the most part, they're seminars where You go and you just hear all this amazing stuff and you don't know anything about the industry. You assume everything they're saying is truth and you're so excited. You're thrilled beyond deaf. And no matter what anyone says, you are supercharged and you are in a high state. Now that state is great because it's created spark, but here's the backside of it. The gurus know this. And do you know motivation is their #1 sales technique for selling wholesaling real estate courses? In fact, any type of real estate course, to be honest with you. This is why they have a 95% failure ratio. You see, if you can get someone at a peak state so excited and they want to be up here, I never put myself up here, but like say you want to be at Rick Ginn, Zach Ginn level and you're here, like how do I get up there? They're like, no, come with me. I can show you how to get all the money, the abundance, everything in your life. You just need to give me 3 payments of $8,000. Go to the back of the room, we'll get you started right now. And people run back there because they think the motivation is going to be instant. It's not. It's temporary. And you know that by now by watching this video. And the problem in the wholesaling real estate is these gurus take advantage of you. There's no way to verify it. You can't look at any of their course information. It's the whole reason me and Zach created freewholesaling.com. Why do you think there's a 95% failure ratio? Because the pitch is so good, so perfect, that honestly, if everyone paid 5, 10 grand, whatever it is, and they got to that level, everybody in the world would go ahead and pay for it. But the truth is, it does require hard work, and motivation alone will not make you successful in wholesaling. In fact, it's probably going to frustrate you more than it's going to help you. So let's figure and break down how to pair motivation and actually make it work inside of wholesaling real estate so you can be ultimately successful. First thing you got to understand, motivation, it's a spark. We know that. You had to just change it. Consider it like an intervention. Let's face it, if you had a problem and the people you love most sat down and all 10 people told you, dude, you got a massive problem. If you don't fix it, we're going to get out of your life and we're not going to support you anymore. You have to make a decision, because if you really love the people that you love, you got to decide which is more important, your bad habit or the people that love you the most. And most people are split on those decisions, but having that type of intervention, what leads to the change. That is a spark. Let's call it an intervention. But it's going to take much more than the motivation of an intervention, a seminar, or a guru to make you successful in wholesaling. In fact, I promise you, studies show the motivation is going to wear off probably in 2 to 3 weeks, because you're going to have the reality of life hit you on it. And the thing is, do you have the tools to sustain that spark, the motivation? So if we know the motivation is the spark, the next thing you need to succeed, listen, a spark alone, think about this. Will a spark start a fire? Yes, it can start a fire. Will a spark keep a fire burning? Absolutely not. You see, once you have a spark, which is maybe watching this video or watching Zach or watching somebody on the internet or going to a Tony Robbins's, you have to take the next step, which is educate yourself. Now, a lot of people say you have to pay for this part. Me and Zach completely show you how to do it for free at freewholesaling.com. There's plenty of people who will teach you, but regardless if you pay or get it for free, you've got to have the next thing, which we call Tinder, T-I-N-D-E-R. This is like those real dry, if you use lint out of your dryer or really dry scrapes of firewood, this is what's going to take that spark and just give it fuel to get things going. You see, if you don't have an education on anything you're going to do, you're going to get killed. And that is no different in wholesaling real estate. So start over at freewholesaling.com. Not only get your first deal, get you to your first 100 grand, have over 10,000 people to prove it. Don't believe me? Go over there, check it out. I promise you, there's no upsell. It's 100% free. But that is going to be your tender. So we have your spark, your tender. What's the next one? You got it. You're going to need firewood to sustain the fire, the drive to be a successful wholesaler. Because in the beginning, it's going to be rough. You don't know what you're doing. You don't have a lot of experience. You just have motivation. Now you got some tender. Your tender is the education. The really cool part is within 30 days, you can get the wheels rolling and get going on your marketing plan, which is going to lead us to our next step. The other part of the firewood is you got to create a plan. Because without a plan, you're just all over the map. And that's where most wholesalers like, I'm just going to wing it till I make some money. No, come up with a hard set plan. How many leads do you need? How many calls do you need to make a day? How many texts do you need to send? how many appointments you need to go on, how many contracts do you need to take down. Remember, in the beginning, you're not going to be very good at it. So you're going to have to understand you're going to go on a journey. It's going to be frustrating. And the craziest part about wholesaling is you're mostly going to do it by yourself. But here's the cool part. Between freewholesaling.com, Flip with Rick Plus, all the lives we do, all the thousands of videos me and Zach have created, you're not alone. In fact, you have a huge wholesale community that will support you and help you out. If not, hop on one of the lives with me and Zach. Join Flip with Rick Plus. It doesn't matter. You can do this all for free. You can do it paid, whatever your choice is, but you got to have a plan. Without a plan, you're just wondering. And write your plan down and constantly monitor and adjust it. Guys, creating the plan is your firewood. The other part of the firewood to really get it intense is you got to execute. I mean, that's where the real work comes in. And this, my friend, I'm just going to tell you right up the bank, a lot of people just drop the ball here because execution, you have to be accountable, you have to be disciplined, and you have to follow through. And you're going to have struggles. You're going to have days that don't go your way. You're going to have months that don't go your way. The question is, are you going to stay the course and are you going to survive it? If you don't execute and you don't believe in yourself, it's going to fall apart quickly. Guys, your firewood is going to be your plan and your execution. This is the key. So let's go back. We have motivation, the spark. We have tender, which is the education, which is the little dry stuff to help fuel the spark, to light the fire, to burn the fire, which is going to be implementing your plan and then executing your plan, which is all on you. No one's going to help you out. Your mom's not going to help you out. Your dad's not going to help you out. Me and Zach will help you out, but in the end, you're going to have to make the calls. You're going to have to go on the appointments, and you're going to have to execute your marketing plan. Without you, this doesn't work. Do you see how motivation alone is not going to get you all the way? Everybody gets excited with motivation, but there is a huge drop off after the motivation wears thin. So the last piece we're going to add to our puzzle is what we call fuel, a fuel accelerator. I don't care if you're squirting gasoline on the fire, but this is where discipline comes in. You see, discipline is the art of doing something over and over, and sometimes you are not going to get an instant result. I guarantee you're not going to get an instant result, which is the complete opposite of what motivation is. You see, when somebody motivates you and creates a spark in you, you feel instant energy and you so want to be in the moment, in that environment, in that energy, but it's going to fade. And so for you to survive this, once you get past the firewood, you're going to need a fuel. And your fuel is your discipline. Discipline is the key to creating consistency in wholesaling. Without it, you are just guessing. You are randomly doing stuff. And this is where a lot of wholesalers go to die because they stop their marketing once they get a deal and they don't understand why they get 2 or 3 months without having any type of paycheck. It's because you did not keep the discipline in your marketing. Remember, your marketing is your lifeblood. You got to keep it going. So let me just rephrase once again. The first one is you have motivational. You're watching this video. That's your spark. The second one is going to be your tender. This is your education. This is what's going to take that spark and allow you to ignite the firewood. Make sure you use people that actually do wholesaling now, that are verifiable, have lots of experience, and you're just not taking someone's video on social media to believe that. It's kind of ironic I'm saying that in this video, but it's the truth. And I've been doing this 21 years. Check out my history. I have more than enough credibility out there. I love wholesaling. It's an addiction. The third part is going to be your firewood. This is creating a plan and, most importantly, executing the plan. You doing the work you said you're going to do. Without it, your motivation doesn't go anywhere. So think of your motivation. It has to go through this progress to make it as a wholesaler. And last but not least is going to be your fuel. Your fuel is what's going to keep that firewood breathing and just exploding so you can add more wood on there. You add more wood on there by getting more deals. In the beginning, it's a little bit rough, but you got to keep it going. This is your fuel accelerator. And this is discipline. Discipline creates consistency. Consistency brings in regular paychecks and gets you out of that dead-end 9-to-5 job or stuck in your parents' basement. I don't care what it is. If you truly want to change and you want to make a difference, I love that you take motivation. Take me, take Zach, take Tony Robbins, whoever it is, but you got to have a plan past motivation, because motivation is what kills a lot of wholesalers by falling into guru traps, to pay thousands and thousands of dollars only to have a 90 to 95% failure ratio. If you don't believe me about the numbers, the gurus admit it to themselves, and I don't want you to be a victim of it. Motivation can be used as a weapon, or it can be used as a tool against you or for you. The choice is in your power, and you have to make it. So guys, if this video like this inspires you, that's great. But man, we've got to go deeper. Remember, motivation is a spark. A spark alone cannot sustain a fire burning a long time. You actually have to take actionable steps. Go back and watch these videos. I gave you simple steps to put it all together. I love motivation, but if you don't have a plan past motivation, and if it's just paying for a guru, you're probably going to be disappointed. I'm just going to tell you, mostly in the wholesaling real estate space, because most of the pay for play is just really, really bad information. In fact, if it was so good, they would already give you the information and be partnering up with you, what me and Zach do. Go over to freewholesaling.com. We'll teach you how to do it. Guys, motivation's awesome, but it's temporary. You got to turn it into sustained discipline to get the consistency you need in wholesaling real estate. This is why I've been doing it 21 years. This is why I'm on the camera talking to you. I love this business, but guys, don't fall for the motivational trap. Use it as a spark and build on it so you can become a successful wholesaler. So guys, listen, let me know in the comments, are you going to use motivation alone and try to do the whole willpower thing? I'm just telling you, it ain't going to work. Or are you actually going to take the steps to turn that motivational, get educated, get a plan, execute, and implement the discipline so you can do wholesaling over and over and wind up just like me 21 years later with more deals than I know what to do with, having a blast with you guys on the internet and working with my son. I love this business and I really appreciate you guys watching. Let me know in the comment. And as usual, if you got value from this video, do me a favor, just reach over, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button so other people can figure out how to use motivation in wholesaling real estate. Guys, this is Rick Ginn, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you.